Glam dolls. I am here today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored from shopping on the SOULMIA website. So if you're interested in seeing what all I got, just keep watching. Okay dolls, I'm going to start out with showing you a pair of boots and an accessory. But before I even get into doing that, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload. You don't want to miss any of these uploads. So the boots, right? OMG. So this is what the boot looked like when I saw it on the website, and I was like, okay, you know, that looks a little cute. But when I received it, this has by far exceeded my expectations on its quality. Okay, the craftsmanship on this boot, nothing about it says inexpensive, but everything about it says you're going somewhere. So anyway, first of all, the height on the boot, I believe this is probably about 3.5 inches, you know, about 3 or 3.5 inches. It's on a solid stock block heel, which means as you walk in it, you don't feel like your ankles is gonna wobble all over the place. So this is very, very sturdy. I'm loving the instep design, and look at this. I'm loving the stitching that's going right across the front part of the foot right here, as well as on the side. So the attention to detail on this is fabulous. The material of this boot is kind of like in a scuba gear-ish. It's hard to describe, but the quality of it is impeccable. And I'm loving that it goes midway up to your calf. So yeah, and it's a true to size fit. I ordered the largest size they have, which this one is a 43 to be exact, because you know I'm a size 10. I'm a very tall girl, and to say that I'm a size 10, this fit comfortably and perfectly. So yeah, loves it. So that was the boot. So the next thing I have to share with you is something you saw kind of like in the intro, is this bag. Oh my god, this is what the bag looked like on the website, and I've seen this bag quite a few times on several other websites, and when I saw it I was like, you know what, go ahead and order it, and I'm glad I did. So this is what it's looking like when you receive it. The color is way more vibrant in person than it is in the picture, and to open the bag you're just going to squeeze the little side things right there, and when you do that the bag opens, and this is what it's looking like on the inside. It's a pretty fairly decent sized bag. It's not too big, it's not too small. This is what the inside of the bag is looking like, and it comes with its very own back pocket right here. And yeah, that's the only pocket that you have is on the back part, and the lining is made of like nylon type material. And what I love best about this bag is it's very versatile, meaning you can wear it short, you know, like this. You can wear it short over your shoulder, or if you wanted to, you can wear it much longer, where you can just drape it over your arm, and then you got it sitting right at your waist size. So that's what I really loved about the bag, is that it's very, very versatile, and like I said, it's roomy enough to fit your necessities or whatever it is you're going to carry for the day. And this is the bag right here. It's in the chevron print design, and the quality on the material is really, really good. Really, really, really good. And this is the bag. So now that I've shared with you the bag, I want to now get into the selected clothing pieces that I picked out. And the first thing I want to show you is the shirt that I'm actually wearing. Yes, this is what the shirt looked like when I saw it on the website. And personally, I feel that I didn't have enough blouses in my clothing collection, you know, like blouses that you can wear with slacks or jeans. It kind of sounds weird me saying that, but that's why I picked out this shirt. So when I received it, the material on it surprised me, because this gives stretch. Okay, this gives some stretch to it, and I was loving the floral detailed design, and I'm loving the neckline right here. It's like a mock neck, and the sleeves, they come pretty, you know, decent in length to say that I'm tall, because I'm 5'11", so the sleeves are long enough for me. And I decided to pair it with just a pair of blue jeans and my Gucci belt, and you know, tuck it in. And what I love about this the most is that you can dress this shirt up, you know, with a pair of slacks or a skirt, or you could totally dress it down and still be casual dressy. Is that a term? If not, I just made it up. So let me show you the next shirt that I picked out. So this is the next shirt that I decided to go with, and as soon as I saw it on the website, which is that right there, I was like, oh, okay, we got the emerald green and gold happening, so I threw it in the shopping cart. But when I received it, I'm a little bit disappointed with it, simply because the sleeves, they kind of like 3/4 on me. But you know, keep in mind, like I said, I'm 5'11", so I'm very tall, and my arms are longer than average. So I figure, you know, just for me, I would just have to pull it up a little bit. But it didn't honestly take away from the beauty of the blouse itself, and the quality on this one does not stretch. There's no stretch to this, so make sure you read the sizing in the description box so you can get your right size, okay? And the emerald green, it stands out, and it has the gold detail, and I just still thought it was super cute, and I'm loving the v-neck type design. So this is what it's looking like, and again, it's a blouse, so you can dress this up or you can dress it down like how I did with, you know, a pair of jeans. But this is what it's looking like, and this is the back of it, and I'm loving the color though. That's what got me. It was the color. So let me show you the next piece. Okay, need I say more? Need I say more? Let me tell y'all something. When it comes to shopping on the SOULMIA website, I've come to discover that they have the largest selection of graphic tees and sweatshirts that I have come across, okay? Yeah, they're doing it. So the next couple of pieces I'm going to show you is going to be from the graphic line, and this sweatshirt speaks for itself because I'm probably late for something. So when I saw this, I said, you know what, ain't no way I'm leaving it in the shopping cart. So this is what it's looking like on the website, and I will tell you, if you're going to order anything from the graphic tee or sweatshirt line, make sure you read the sizing in the description box, because you don't want to get caught out there thinking you're ordering one size, but you know, those foreign sizes, they run a little bit differently. So down in my description box below, I'm gonna list everything that I'm showing you according to the size that I'm wearing in the video, just so you can kind of use it as a buying reference. So anyway, I'm probably late for something. I wasn't going to leave this sitting up in the shopping cart, but this is just a sweatshirt. It's true to size fit according to the description box. And the sleeves, to say that I'm tall, it comes pretty decent in length. And you know, this is the back of it and whatnot, and it sits right here on the a little bit past the, almost to the hips, okay? So you can totally blouse this. You can, oh, you can tuck this in. You can wear it with a high-waisted skirt. You can wear it with jeans. You can dress this up. You can dress it down, as long as you're not late for where you're going. Because me, I'm probably late for something, but I wasn't late throwing this up in the shopping cart. No, no, no. Let me show you the next one. Did not tell you all how they have the best graphic tees and sweatshirts. OMG. So look what this one says. Don't rush me. I'm waiting for the last minute. This is what it looked like when I saw it on the website. And again, make sure you check the sizing in the description box on their website to know that you're ordering your actual correct size, because they size and run a little bit weird. But for the most part, don't rush me, okay? Don't rush me. I'm waiting to the last minute. But I didn't wait this time for the last minute to add this in the shopping cart, because this is so cute. And it's a regular t-shirt, so it's no cotton. It's giving you the normal t-shirt, you know, type stretch or whatever. And true to size according to the description box of how their sizing is going. And the material just feels like a t-shirt type material, and it's super cute, and it sits a little bit almost to the hip area, so you can tuck this in, you can blouse it out, you can dress this up, you can dress it down. You know, I'm just loving it because I'm feeling the vibe. You feel this vibe? I'm feeling the vibe of this. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. I'm waiting for the last minute. Wait till I show you all the next one. Ta-da! Look at this one right here. Who knows where this come from? If not, I'll give you all a little hint. I'll be there for you when it is not the fall. I'll be there. I don't really know the words to it. I just kind of know the chorus line. But when I saw this, instantly I thought of that TV show Friends. Yeah, that's where the song I'll Be There For You come from. So when I saw this, and the writing kind of reminds me of how, you know, it looked on the TV show when the theme song would come on and stuff. So anyway, this is another one of their graphic t-shirts, and check the sizing in the description box if you have an interest in getting it. But same t-shirt type material, graphic tee, fits really well. It's coming down to the hips, okay? You can tuck this in, you can blouse it out, you can dress this up, you can dress this down, you can vibe with this, you know? You can watch your favorite well, I don't know if it's your favorite TV show, but I liked Rachel and them. If you watch the TV show, you can sing along, you know, and rock out with your t-shirt. But for the most part, like I said, SOULMIA, they honestly have the largest selection of graphic t-shirts and sweatshirts that I've come across, okay? That I've come across. So, okay, wait till y'all see the last one that I'm going to show you, because I decided to save the very best one for last. Yeah, you're going to like this one. I bet you're going to like this one. And if you do like this one, you better hurry up and get on the website down below and get your hands on it, because this one kept selling out. So you ready for it? You ready for it? You're gonna like this one. You're gonna like this one. You're gonna you ready for it? Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it says, Marty, whatever happens, don't ever go to 2020. Look at that. Back to the Future, right? Back to the Future. How many of y'all have seen that movie Back to the Future? OMG. So look, he's telling him, Marty, whatever happens, don't ever go to 2020. And I think we all know why he was telling Marty, don't ever go to 2020. I mean, come on now. We know what. So anyway, this one right here, oh, okay, this one is a little bit longer than the rest, all right? So this is coming kind of long. What I can suggest you do, if you want to rock it out, like with some thigh-high boots or something, then I honestly would suggest that you size up. That way, you can get away with, like, putting some shorts underneath this and rocking out with some thigh-high boots. But it's a graphic sweatshirt, okay? So it does give some stretch to it. So it's not 100% cotton, because they have some kind of blend to it. And the sleeves are very well, you know, in length for me. I keep telling you all, I'm 5'11", so I'm very tall. But whatever you do, don't ever go back to 2020. Because me, honestly, if I was going back to the future, I will bypass 2020 quick, fast. So dolls, like I was telling you throughout this video, when it comes to shopping on the SOULMIA website, they carry the largest selection of their graphic t-shirts and sweatshirt designs. And everything that I've shared with you will be down in the description box below. And I want to give a special shout out and huge thank you to SOULMIA for sponsoring this video. Yes, dolls, we love our sponsor. And guess what? They really love you all too, because they're giving you an insane discount. That discount code right there, which will be down in the description box below, which is more than the current discount promotion that's on their website. Yeah, so you get to get 18% off on the total of your order if you're going to order anything of interest that you like. But if you've seen anything in this video that you like, just know the links to will be down in the description box below. So okay, on that note, this now concludes the video. I'm gonna get out of here, but I ain't going back to 2020, but I'm gonna get out of here and enjoy my bag and my boots, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. And whatever you do, don't go back to 2020.